Preparatory work. The installation site should be free from dust, keep dry and ventilated. Check whether installation tools and terminal accessories are complete. Check whether cable accessories match correctly. Stripping. Stripping a follow with the dimensions of the installation instructions. A equals installation tube length minus 50 millimeters. Keep 30 mm steel armoring and strip the rest. Peel off the filler and separate the faces. The ground wire is fixed to the steel plate by a constant force spring. Installation the breakout. Wrap PVC tape 30 mm down from the outer sheath port. Insert the heat shrinkable breakout. Heating and shrinking. First, shrink the branch finger, then shrink the root finger. Installation cable log and sealing. Determine the length of each face and cut off redundant cables, following with L equals lug hole depth, plus 5 mm to strip off the main insulation of the cable. Press the terminal according to the national standard. Remove edges and burrs of the lugs. Fill the gap between the terminal and the insulation layer with sealant and lap 10 mm each. Installation the heat shrink insulation tube. Insert the heat shrink insulation tube and lap the insulation tube with a breakout finger and 20 to 30 mm. Heating and shrinking. If the insulation tube is too long, cut the excess insulation tube. Installation finish. Clean up the site. Thank you for watching.